This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the auxiliary lights on this drone. So in the beginning you will need to switch on the RC, the aircraft, connect them of course, and while in the Fly interface, launch settings. By tapping at those three dots you'll find to your top right. Now select the safety category on top, scroll this page all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find the auxiliary LED configuration section, should I say, whatever. So you can simply switch it on, make sure that it's enabled at all times. Switch it off, so there will be no auxiliary lights whatsoever, or select the automatic mode and allow the software to do its magic and automatically determine whether those auxiliary lights are required or it's better to keep them switched off. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that will be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.